Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm still sick enough that I can't do any new videos, but I actually came across this gem of a video that I accidentally deleted. It's all about my Goldwell Kerasilk smoothing treatment that I got last year and the products that my hair has been loving. To be fair, these products are still the products that I use, so it still applies. Now, if you know me or if you knew me years ago, you know that I have really curly hair, and I mean curly, frizzy, especially at the front, which is really annoying, and I was not happy. But since getting the treatment, my hair's still curly, but the frizz is honestly gone, and I'm super happy about that. The magic with this treatment is the protein that infuses with your hair. So essentially, it makes your hair less frizzy, obviously, makes your hair shiny, strong, and in general, it gives a heck of a lot of good hair days than bad hair days. If you want to check out more information, especially if you live in New Zealand, go to vivosalon.co.nz. Vivo is a salon that I usually get these treatments done, so I honestly believe in the team, the treatment, and just the whole experience. And I just want to say, I still love curly hair. It just means that my hair's less frizzy and I save a lot of time, which I love. This tutorial goes through 5 products that I love to use after I have my hair washed. So I hope you like it. Also, I recently just went over 1,000 subscribers and I honestly could not be happier. Thank you to all you beautiful souls. I friggin' love you and I love your support. Couldn't do this without you guys at all. I hope you like the video and look forward to a lot more in the future. Now I realize that in these videos I have actually styled my hair, so I just thought I should insert this clip showing you how my hair looks like after having a shower. Basically, you can just run your fingers through the hair, which is something that I couldn't do before. I have literally just washed my hair, put 2 products on, which you will see later on in the video, and brushed my hair, and that is all, guys. It's been so easy maintaining my hair after the treatment, so I wouldn't change anything about my decision to get this treatment done at all. First things first, shampoo and conditioner. So these are actually products that Vivo team recommended after I got the treatment, just to make sure that I do maintain it. And one of them is a Goldwell's Kerasilk Reconstruct shampoo. This is a clear shampoo and it just smells amazing. After you use this, your hair smells like you've just come out of the salon. I just love that about shampoos, and I know you do as well, so this is like the perfect shampoo for that. And it has got keratin, so it's going to complement the treatment that you just had. The second one is the conditioner, which is Goldwell's Kerasilk Color Conditioner. This also smells amazing. And I usually leave this on for 2 to 3 minutes. After you wash it off, it just feels so silky and you just run your fingers through your hair. So good. Love them. Now this product I actually had to buy online. I couldn't find them in any of the New Zealand stores. This is Davines OI All in One Milk. It says it's a multi-benefit beauty treatment and it comes in sort of the spray form. It does a lot of things, guys. So it adds shine, softness, silkiness, detangling power, conditioning effect, facilitates blow drying, heat protection. So it does pretty much everything. It smells so like cotton fresh. I don't know if that makes any sense to you, but it smells so good. So yeah, what I do is I just spray this on my hair, mid to lower lengths, and then I just run my fingers along the hair to make sure that it's distributed evenly. The website that I got it off is called Sable. When they send the products, it's just so beautiful. They beautifully package it and they like write you a little note and everything, so you just feel so special when you get them. And they're really fast at delivering as well, so definitely recommend checking their website out. I'll leave a link down below so that you can go have a look at the products as well. Now, there's a little weapon that I use to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. And it is this, the Tangle Teezer. So I've been using this since the start of this year, I think, and I just love it. It's got really soft sort of bristles, so you use this on damp hair after you put the products and just run it through your hair. You can even use this after you shampoo and condition, like lots of people use it in the shower. I usually use it after I put the products on while it's still damp. But yeah, definitely go get it. You can get it from any sort of pharmacies. I'm sure hair salons have it as well. Definitely recommended.
Just want to catch it on it. This is the colourful side.
Moving along, to be completely honest, those are the products that I use normally and nothing else. But there are two other products that I want to tell you guys about. So if I wash my hair today and I want to straighten it later on in the day or tomorrow, I make sure that I use a heat defense. Now, the one that I have been using for years and years is this one, which is John Frieda Frizz Ease Heat Defeat Protecting Spray. You want to always make sure that before you style it, before you curl it, straighten it, you want to make sure that you protect your hair. Again, like I said, the all-in-one milk does do heat defense, but this is just me being extra cautious really, and I just love the product and I have loved it for years. So yeah, there it is. The last one that I want to tell you guys about is a hairspray. Now, I have used a lot of hairsprays throughout the years and all of them have a distinct bad smell. Like I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. That's why I was so excited when I heard about this product, because it just smells amazing. And it is this little product. Obviously there's a bigger bottle of this, but this is sort of like a carry-on hairspray. This is by Davines as well. This one is a firm hold, but I believe there is a medium hold as well, but they just didn't have it stocked at that time, so I had to get this one. This just smells divine. It smells like, you know the smell of new Barbie dolls or their hair? Like, it just smells like that to me. I don't know if anyone knows what I'm talking about, but if you do get this, please let me know if you agree. It's just so good, and I love it. And I need to get a bigger bottle. That's what I need to do. So I'll be jumping on Sable, and I will leave a link for this one down in the description bar as well. So those are all the products that I wanted to tell you guys about. I hope this is helpful, especially if you are someone who is considering the Kerasilk smoothing treatment. I would get it again, and I will get it in, I think, 2 months for my 3rd cycle. I mean, I'm not paid by any of these products or by Vivo or Goldwell to say any of this. It's just from my personal experience. Obviously it will be different for different types of hair, so you'll have different experiences, but I think overall I've heard really good things about the treatment, and personally I've had a great experience with it, so that's why I just wanted to share it with everyone. I know a lot of you who have really curly frizzy hair that just know what I'm talking about. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I hope you have an amazing week ahead.